What if you could extract thousands of data points from websites without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Octoparse in 2026, walk through its main features, and explain why so many businesses and researchers use it for web scraping. Octoparse is a no-code web scraping platform that allows you to collect data from websites and export it into spreadsheets, databases, or other tools without needing programming skills. It's commonly used for market research, lead generation, price monitoring, competitor analysis, e-commerce research, and many other data collection tasks. To get started, visit the Octoparse website, create an account, and download the desktop application if needed. Once you're inside the platform, click on New Task and enter the URL of the website you want to scrape. Octoparse will load the page inside its built-in browser and begin analyzing the content automatically. One of the easiest ways to use the platform is through its auto-detect feature. After loading a page, Octoparse attempts to identify lists, tables, products, prices, titles, links, and other data that can be extracted. You can then review the detected fields and customize them if necessary. If you need more control, you can use the point-and-click workflow builder. Simply click on the elements you want to collect, and Octoparse creates the extraction process visually without requiring code. Another useful feature is cloud scraping. Instead of keeping your computer running all day long, you can send tasks to the cloud and let Octoparse continue collecting data automatically. The platform also supports scheduling, which means you can run scraping tasks daily, weekly, or at custom intervals to keep your data updated. For larger projects, there are advanced tools such as IP rotation, CAPTCHA handling, API access, and workflow customization. Looking at user feedback, many people appreciate how beginner-friendly the software feels compared to traditional coding-based web scraping solutions. Users often mention that they can start collecting useful data much faster than expected. The visual interface and ready-made templates receive particularly positive comments because they reduce the amount of setup work required. However, there are some limitations worth discussing. While simple projects are easy to build, more advanced websites with heavy anti-bot protection, login systems, or dynamic content may require additional configuration and experimentation. Some users also mention that there is a learning curve once you move beyond basic scraping tasks. Like most powerful tools, the more advanced features take time to fully understand. After exploring the platform and reviewing user opinions, my honest opinion is that Octoparse remains one of the best no-code web scraping tools available in 2026. It offers a great balance between simplicity and advanced functionality, making it useful for both beginners and experienced users. If your goal is to collect web data without learning programming, Octoparse is definitely worth trying. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me which AI or productivity tool you would like me to review next.